Remove the protective backing from the sticker, add a bead of silicone to the sill, and attach the left jamb threshold. Screw the left jamb into the pre-drilled holes of the shim installed on the sill. Remove the protective backing from the sticker, add a bead of silicone to the sill, and attach the right jamb threshold. Screw the right jamb in the same manner as the left jamb. For large doors, if needed, install a wooden support at the center to hold the head in place during frame installation. First, apply wood glue and sealant to the joints. Screw the head to the jambs and sill assembly using the pre-drilled holes. Install the installation brackets on the frame at approximately every 16 inches. Before installing the frame in the rough opening, apply a bead of silicone or foam tape to the inside of the panel on the folded edge to ensure a watertight seal. Also apply silicone or adhesive to the panel at each shim location to secure the threshold in place. Place the frame into the rough wall opening. Secure the jambs and ensure that the sill and head do not deflect by more than 1/16 of an inch, that the jambs are plumb, and that the frame is square. Screw the frame with the installation brackets. If needed, shim the jambs and screw behind the finishing cladding. For units with more than 3 panels, add a screw every 16 inches on the white PVC anchor. If needed, screw the head behind the finishing cladding. If applicable, remove the wooden support. Install the mounting plate on the fixed sash. Install the fixed sash by inserting the head first, then tilting the bottom into place. Install the central panels and the panel with the handle in the same manner. Adjust the panels using a 6mm hex key to ensure they are parallel, at the same height, and that the multi-point lock is working properly. Remove the plastic part, drop down the chute bolt, then reinsert the plastic part upside down to lock the chute bolt in position. Secure the fixed panel to the frame using the mounting plates and screw the mounting plate to the jamb. Install the finishing plates for the panels. We recommend installing the plate with the logos featuring the coat of arms and Lepage millwork on the inside, and then completing with the plates without inscriptions. If applicable, install the panel collectors. Install the jamb cladding on the fixed side starting from the interior to the exterior using a rubber mallet with a protective block. Install the head cladding starting from the exterior to the interior using a rubber mallet with a protective block. Install the jamb cladding on the operating side starting from the exterior to the interior using a rubber mallet with a protective block. Install the exterior waterproof membrane. Insulate the frame from the inside. For the head, it is mandatory to use insulating wool. For the jambs, you can use sprayed polyurethane foam.